Morning guys, meron nagko-comment na hindi ko daw kayang kumain ng 2 candy. Kaya sisimulan natin. At guys, wait. Tignan natin kung naka-follow kayo, i-like and share para makakita ka ng next ating video. Sige guys, tignan natin. Yellow muna yung kakainin natin guys. Yellow na candy. Tignan nyo to guys. Kasi yun guys. Ito siya guys. Yellow na candy. Kakainin natin guys. At ubos na nga yung guys. Kakain na naman tayo ng ulit. Ito yung orange guys. Follow kayo guys ha. Follow. Subscribe. Orange na naman guys. Remember to truth. Follow and share and comment. Bye-bye!